Dreaming of traveling to space like Sunita Williams? Here's how you can make it a reality. Education first. To become an astronaut, you need a STEM degree, science, technology, engineering, or mathematics. Sunita earned a Bachelor of Science in Physical Science and later a Master of Science in Engineering Management. Gain relevant experience. Work in a related field like aviation, engineering, or research. Sunita was a U.S. Navy pilot before joining NASA. Experience in piloting or operating complex systems is highly valued. Physical and mental fitness. Astronauts undergo rigorous physical and psychological training. You need to be in top shape, able to handle zero-gravity conditions, and mentally resilient. Apply to space agencies. Agencies like NASA, ISRO, ESA, and SpaceX recruit astronauts. Stay updated on their recruitment programs and apply when you meet the qualifications. Train like a pro. Once selected, you'll undergo extensive training, spacewalk drills, spacecraft operations, survival skills, and even learning Russian for ISS missions. Pro tip: stay passionate about science and exploration. It takes dedication, but like Sunita Williams, you can reach for the stars. Share this with someone who dreams of becoming an astronaut.